Life on Earth is a never-ending competition. Animals compete for resources and struggle against predators. Intelligence and instinct shape the destiny of life on Earth. Join us as we unravel the intricate dance between intelligence and instinct. Discover how these forces have driven the evolution of life on Earth. Intelligence and instinct often coexist, each complementing the other. Consider the lioness teaching her cubs to hunt, blending instinct and learning. This balance highlights the adaptability of life and its constant pursuit of survival. The evolutionary arms race between intelligence and instinct is complex. Some behaviors, like web spinning by spiders, appear intelligent but are instinctual. Evolution is a dynamic interplay of forces shaping life on Earth. The emergence of intelligence is a captivating chapter in the story of life. Early organisms like bacteria exhibited rudimentary forms of learning. As life evolved, so did the complexity of behavior and nervous systems. The fossil record reveals a gradual increase in the complexity of life forms and their behaviors. The development of intelligence was driven by natural selection. Social behavior played a crucial role in the development of intelligence. Dolphins and birds exhibit remarkable cognitive abilities and problem-solving skills. The challenges of survival have contributed to the evolution of intelligence. Natural selection favored the development of more complex nervous systems. Early organisms had simple networks of neurons, which evolved into complex brains. The human brain, with its billions of neurons, represents the pinnacle of cognitive evolution. The emergence of humans marked a turning point in the evolutionary arms race. Early hominids developed larger brains and a unique form of cognitive ability. This cognitive revolution gave rise to cultural evolution and remarkable flexibility. Human intelligence is distinguished by abstract thought and advanced working memory. Our capacity for theory of mind allows us to understand others' beliefs and intentions. These cognitive tools have enabled humans to achieve remarkable feats of ingenuity. Human intelligence has come at a cost, with energy-hungry brains and existential anxieties. Despite these challenges, our cognitive abilities have allowed us to thrive in diverse habitats. The evolution of human intelligence is an ongoing process, balancing intellect and instinct. Instinct is the foundation of behavior, ensuring survival in the face of danger. From birth, creatures rely on instinct for essential behaviors like feeding and fleeing. Instinct is nature's autopilot, guiding animals with pre-programmed responses. Instinct allows animals to respond to threats and opportunities without conscious thought. Social insects and migrating animals provide striking examples of instinct in action. Instinctual behaviors have been honed over millions of years of evolution. Instinct, while a powerful force for survival, is not without its limitations. One of the main drawbacks of instinct is its inflexibility. Instinctual responses are finely tuned to specific environmental cues and conditions. When these conditions change rapidly, as they often do in our modern world, instinct can become a liability. Sea turtles, for example, instinctively follow the light of the moon to find their way to the ocean after hatching on the beach. However, the proliferation of artificial lights along coastlines disrupts this ancient instinct, causing hatchlings to become disoriented and wander inland, where they face dehydration, predation, and death. Urbanization, habitat fragmentation, and climate change are all posing unprecedented challenges to the instinctual behaviors of animals worldwide. Birds that have evolved to build nests in specific types of trees are now forced to adapt to a landscape dominated by concrete and steel. Animals that rely on camouflage to evade predators are finding themselves exposed in habitats altered by human activity. Climate change, in particular, is creating a mismatch between the timing of instinctual behaviors and the availability of essential resources. Migratory birds arriving at their breeding grounds to find that food sources have shifted or disappeared face a stark choice: adapt or perish. Polar bears, their hunting grounds shrinking due to melting sea ice, are struggling to survive as their instinctual drive to hunt seals is thwarted by a changing Arctic landscape. The evolutionary arms race between intelligence and instinct is not a battle for ultimate supremacy. Instead, it is a complex interplay between two powerful forces, each shaping life in its own way. Intelligence and instinct often work together in a symbiotic relationship, complementing each other. Consider the dance between bees and flowers. Bees, guided by instinct, collect nectar and pollen, aiding plant reproduction. This act of pollination showcases the power of instinct. Intelligence also plays a role. Bees remember flower locations and communicate through dance. In primates, intelligence and instinct interplay in social structures and foraging. Young primates refine their instinctive grasp reflex as they grow. Social predators like wolves and lions show this synergy in hunting. They combine instinctual behaviors with learned strategies for success. The relationship between intelligence and instinct is a dynamic interplay shaping evolution for billions of years. Natural selection favors adaptive combinations of instinctive and learned behaviors. This evolutionary tango has led to life's incredible diversity. Instinct guides specialized adaptations in specific niches. Consider the navigational abilities of migrating birds, the camouflage of insects, or the mating rituals of animals. These adaptations are a testament to natural selection. Intelligence allows adaptation to diverse environments. Large brains and advanced cognition open new possibilities. Primates, cetaceans, and some birds exploit more resources. They solve complex problems and navigate social interactions. Human intelligence represents a shift between instinct and learning. Language, abstract thought, and culture transcend instinct. We adapt to virtually every environment on Earth and even venture beyond our home planet. Instinct remains integral to our biological heritage. Drives for food, water, shelter, and reproduction are rooted in instinct. Emotional responses to fear, anger, love, and joy are instinctual. These drives shape our behavior even as we strive to control them through the power of our intellect. While instinct provides quick solutions to immediate challenges, it can lead to maladaptive behaviors when conditions change rapidly. Intelligence, with its capacity for learning and problem-solving, can overcome the limitations of instinct. Consider rats in a maze. Initially they rely on instinct, but soon learn the layout, forming a mental map. This demonstrates intelligence overriding instinct. Chimpanzees using tools show intelligence beyond instinct. Humans have taken tool use to new levels, transforming our world with technology. Our capacity for empathy and cooperation has allowed us to build complex societies. The evolutionary arms race between intelligence and instinct is far from over. As we look to the future, it is clear that both forces will continue to shape the destiny of life on Earth, including our own. The human mind, a product of millions of years of evolution, is still evolving, adapting to the ever-changing demands of our environment and the challenges we create for ourselves. Advances in neuroscience, genetics, and artificial intelligence are providing us with unprecedented insights into the workings of the brain, raising profound questions about the nature of consciousness, the limits of intelligence, and the potential for enhancing our cognitive abilities. Will we one day be able to augment our intelligence through genetic engineering, brain-computer interfaces, or other technological advancements? What ethical considerations will arise as we gain greater control over our own evolution? The rise of artificial intelligence presents both exciting possibilities and potential risks. AI has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from healthcare and transportation to education and entertainment. However, it also raises concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence, leading to unforeseen consequences. As we navigate the uncharted waters of the future, it is essential to remember that intelligence is not a monolithic entity, but rather a multifaceted and ever-evolving phenomenon. Different species have evolved different forms of intelligence, each suited to their particular ecological niche. Similarly, human intelligence is not a fixed quantity, but rather a dynamic interplay of cognitive abilities, emotional responses, and social influences. The future of intelligence is not simply about becoming smarter or more technologically advanced. It is also about understanding the role of instinct in our lives and finding ways to create a more harmonious coexistence between our rational and emotional selves. Instinct, for all its limitations, is an integral part of what makes us human. It connects us to our evolutionary past, reminds us of our shared biological heritage, and provides us with a sense of grounding in a world that can often feel chaotic and unpredictable. Our instincts drive our basic needs for food, water, and shelter, as well as our desires for love, belonging, and purpose. They also fuel our creativity, our sense of wonder, and our capacity for joy. Rather than viewing intelligence and instinct as opposing forces locked in an eternal struggle, we can choose to see them as complementary aspects of our being, each contributing to the richness and complexity of the human experience. By cultivating self-awareness, practicing mindfulness, and developing emotional intelligence, we can learn to harness the power of our instincts, while also using our intelligence to make wise and compassionate choices that benefit ourselves, our communities, and the planet as a whole. The evolutionary arms race between intelligence and instinct has shaped the natural world for billions of years, leading to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. As we stand at the cusp of a new era, marked by rapid technological advancements and unprecedented environmental challenges, the choices we make about how we develop and use our intelligence while also honoring our instinctual nature will determine the course of our future. The evolutionary arms race between intelligence and instinct is a testament to the power of natural selection. It is a dance that has been ongoing for billions of years, shaping the destiny of countless species, including our own. Intelligence, with its ability to learn, adapt, and innovate, has allowed life to flourish in a constantly changing world. It has driven the development of complex nervous systems, sophisticated communication networks, and remarkable problem-solving abilities. Instinct, on the other hand, provides a foundation of essential survival behaviors, honed by generations of trial and error. It is the silent force that guides animals to find food, escape predators, and reproduce, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. It is the whisper of the past, reminding us of the challenges our ancestors faced and the adaptations they developed to overcome them. From the simplest single-celled organisms to the most complex animals, intelligence and instinct have danced together, sometimes in harmony, sometimes in tension, but always shaping the trajectory of life's grand journey. They are two sides of the same coin, two expressions of the same fundamental drive, survival. The human story in particular is a testament to this enduring dance. Our intelligence, with its capacity for language, abstract thought, and cultural transmission, has allowed us to reshape our world in profound ways, building cities, creating art, and exploring the cosmos. Yet, for all our intellectual prowess, we remain deeply connected to our instinctual nature. We are driven by the same basic needs for food, shelter, and belonging as our primate ancestors. We experience the same primal emotions of fear, joy, anger, and love. As we look to the future, it is clear that the evolutionary arms race between intelligence and instinct will continue to shape our destiny. Advances in artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and neuroscience are raising profound questions about the nature of consciousness, the limits of human potential, and the ethical implications of our growing ability to manipulate the building blocks of life. Will we use these powerful tools to enhance our intelligence, extend our lifespan, or even merge with machines? Will we find ways to create a more harmonious coexistence between our rational and emotional selves, between our technological advancements, and the natural world that sustains us? The choices we make in the coming decades will have far-reaching consequences, not only for ourselves but for all life on Earth. It is essential that we approach these challenges with wisdom, humility, and a deep understanding of our place in the web of life. The evolutionary arms race between intelligence and instinct is not a battle for supremacy. It is a dance that has been ongoing for billions of years, a dance that has given rise to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. As we continue this dance into the future, let us strive to be mindful partners, honoring both our intelligence and our instincts, and using our understanding of the natural world to create a future where all beings can thrive. If you like this content, please comment, share, like, and subscribe.